Welcome to the training course. We're going to teach you several techniques to help you get the most out of the game. We'll be using the default controls for the training course. That means the X button is gas and the square button is brake. See the arrows painted on the track? They indicate how to get to the next checkpoint. Each checkpoint is a circle with a number painted on the ground, just like the one under your ATV. Your first task is to stop when you reach circle number 2. Press the X button to give your bike some gas, and press the square button to brake in circle number 2. Do it now. Well done. Now you're going to navigate a right-hand hairpin turn. Use the left analog joystick or the directional pad to steer your ATV around the turn. When making a turn, sometimes it's helpful to drift to the outside of the curb and ride the berm around the turn. Now follow the arrows, drive around the turn, and stop when you reach circle number 3. Good. In front of you is a simple jump, followed by a left-hand turn. When taking a jump, it's often best to land on all 4 tires at once. You can do this by adjusting the pitch of your ATV in midair. Pitch the ATV by pressing forward and back on the left analog joystick or the directional pad. Now give the ATV some gas, and as you fly through the air, press forward to land your ATV as level to the ground as possible. After the left-hand turn, stop in circle number 4. Go for it! Nice. Some jumps are bigger than others. In order to clear big jumps, you need to learn how to preload the suspension to make the bike fly further. To preload the suspension, pull back on the left analog joystick at the bottom of the jump, then snap the left analog joystick forward before your tires leave the ground. If you do it correctly, the preload meter will show a red bar indicating how much lift you've achieved, and your ATV will sail through the air further than usual. When the conditions are right to preload, the meter will light up with a green background. Try it now. Remember to pull back on the left analog joystick at the bottom of the jump. Then snap it forward before your wheels leave the ground. After you've landed, drive around the turn and stop in circle number 5. Okay, hit it. Great. Now you're going to learn how to ride a wheelie. To pop a wheelie, hit the gas and pull back on the left analog joystick. Try to hold the wheelie for a few seconds, then hit the brakes and come to a stop inside circle number 6. Good job. It looks like you've got your basic driving skills under control. Sometimes you'll bump into objects in the world and need to back up. To drive in reverse, press and hold the gas and the brake button at the same time. You can look back by holding down the L2 button. Go ahead and press gas and brake together to start driving in reverse. Hold down L2 if you want to look back as you drive. Drive in reverse all the way back to circle number 5. Okay, now it's time to bust a trick. To perform a stunt, first you need to get some really big air. Once you're airborne, press the left analog joystick or directional pad in any direction while pressing either the triangle or the circle button. Take the jump in front of you and pull off a trick, then continue on through the finish gate. Well done. You've learned the basics of handling your ATV. Here's one final test before you go. Take a lap around the course without going off track. If you go off track, we'll reset you from the start, so pay attention. Good luck. Congratulations. Looks like you're ready for some off-road fury.